Experiencing warm air from your Tesla Model S AC? This video will guide you through troubleshooting the common culprits: the AC compressor, refrigerant levels, and cabin filter condition. We'll focus on practical steps and solutions based on the latest information, including Tesla's recent updates and recalls. If your Tesla Model S AC isn't blowing cold air, this is a frequent issue for models between 2012 to 2020, but recent diagnostics and fixes have made strides in fixing it. Unlike traditional cars that use engine-driven compressors, the Tesla Model S employs a fully electric air conditioning system powered entirely by the vehicle's battery. The key components of this system include the electric AC compressor, refrigerant, and cabin filter. The electric scroll compressor is the heart of the system, circulating refrigerant to cool the cabin. Unlike traditional vehicles, it's powered by the battery, not the engine, and can draw between 2 to 5 kilowatts of power. The system uses refrigerant to facilitate cooling. Older Model S vehicles use R134A, while newer ones use R1234YF, a more environmentally friendly alternative with lower global warming potential. Finally, the cabin filter helps filter incoming air, ensuring clean air circulation, though it can affect airflow if clogged. A clogged cabin filter restricts airflow, reducing AC efficiency. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. It should be replaced every 10,000 to 15,000 miles to prevent dust buildup that can block evaporator coils. A clogged filter can block evaporator coils, making AC problems worse. Here's how to replace it yourself. First, open the glove compartment. Next, remove the glove compartment and frame to expose the filter housing. Then, open the filter housing and remove the old filter, which may be dirty. Insert a new, clean filter into the housing. Finally, reassemble the housing, frame, and glove compartment. After replacing the filter, make sure to get your refrigerant levels checked as well to ensure optimal AC performance. Low refrigerant is a common cause of weak AC in Tesla Model S vehicles. Tesla AC systems are sealed, meaning any refrigerant loss indicates a leak in the system. While DIY refrigerant top-ups are possible, they are not recommended due to overpressure risks that can damage the system. The Tesla AC system uses a heat pump for efficiency in cold climates. To spot potential leaks, check for oil stains around AC components or use a gas leak detector. Professional refrigerant recharge is essential to ensure safety and maintain warranty coverage. A Florida owner reported 20% refrigerant loss annually. After a settlement, Tesla retrofitted the system with R11234YF refrigerant, improving efficiency by 25% and reducing energy draw. Many of these refrigerant issues stem from user-neglected maintenance rather than inherent design flaws. The AC compressor is the heart of the Tesla Model S air conditioning system. This electric scroll compressor, powered by the vehicle's battery rather than an engine, circulates refrigerant to cool the cabin. It operates on a variable speed basis, drawing 2 to 5 kilowatts of power, and is controlled by Tesla's central computer for optimal efficiency. Common causes of compressor failure include clutch wear, which prevents proper engagement, electrical faults that disrupt power supply, or software glitches that affect control signals. These issues often lead to the system not blowing cold air as the refrigerant circulation stops. Warning signs of compressor problems include unusual noises like grinding or clicking from the compressor area, or a complete lack of cold air despite the AC being turned on. These symptoms indicate the compressor may need inspection or replacement. Tesla addresses these issues with over-the-air software update V12.5.1, released in Q2 2026. This update includes enhanced AC compressor monitoring and automatic refrigerant level checks to prevent not blowing cold air problems before they escalate, reducing reported incidents by 35%. The typical lifespan of a Tesla Model S AC compressor is 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Regular maintenance and monitoring can help extend this lifespan and prevent unexpected failures. Tesla's software plays a crucial role in AC system management. Use the Tesla app or service mode to check for error codes like AC compressor overcurrent. Tesla's V12.5.1 update includes improved AC compressor monitoring. These updates can often preempt AC failure, highlighting the importance of keeping your Tesla software up to date. As of 2026, the industry is seeing a shift to AI-driven predictive maintenance. Tesla's service app now uses machine learning to flag AC issues based on driving patterns, with 60% of fixes now preventative. If basic troubleshooting like checking filters or refrigerant doesn't fix your Tesla Model S AC issue, it's time to contact Tesla Service for professional help. Specific Model S vehicles built between 2015 and 2019 had a voluntary recall for compressor clutch failures that could cause AC problems. Always verify if your vehicle qualifies by checking your VIN number. To schedule service, use the Tesla app where you can book appointments, view service history, and even request mobile service for convenience. During the repair process, expect Tesla technicians to diagnose the issue using specialized tools and software, often completing repairs on site or at a service center within 1 to 2 hours for common AC problems. Following a 2023 lawsuit that was settled in the fourth quarter of 2025, Tesla provides free lifetime AC checks and replacement parts for over 50,000 affected Model S vehicles. Tesla is moving toward integrated vehicle thermal management for better range. Expect AI-driven diagnostics to reduce failures. Tesla's vertical integration may lead to in-house compressor production by 2027. The industry is seeing a push towards electric AC in all models and potential adoption of solid-state refrigerants for zero-emission cooling. As EV market growth continues, AC reliability is becoming a competitive advantage. By 2030, AI diagnostics could reduce failures by 50%, per industry analysts at SAE International.